Dear students, in the previous video, we have inserted one geometric mean between A and B, two given numbers. Now, in this video, we are inserting more than one geometric means between the given numbers A and B. Before going further, if you didn't subscribe this channel, so subscribe it. If we are given two numbers A and B, and we are asked to find n geometric means to be inserted between A and B and making a geometric sequence. So these are the given numbers A and B, and we have to insert n geometric means between A and B. So insert G1, G2, G3 up to Gn between A and B. Now this becomes a geometric sequence. This whole from A till B. This is a geometric sequence. So this is our first term. First term is A. Then first geometric mean is the second term. The second geometric mean is the third term, and the third geometric mean is the fourth term, and so on. And Gn is our A n plus 1 term, because over here if the geometric mean is 1, then the term is 2, one more. And if the geometric mean is 2, then the term is 3, one more than 2. And over here the geometric mean is third, 3 is written over here, so the term is fourth, so 4 is written over here. If the geometric mean is nth geometric mean, n is written over here, so with the term will be written what? N plus 1. So after this the next term is n plus 2. So this sequence is having n plus 2 terms in all. Now we know that the first term is A, this one. Now multiply each time R with it to get the next term. So R is multiplied with A to get the second term. So AR is the second term. Then the third term is AR square. One more R is multiplied. And then the fourth term is AR cube. This is the formula. AN, as we know, AR n minus 1. AN is equal to AR n minus 1. So by this we can write that the fourth term is AR cube. And AN plus 1 is what? If we write AN plus 1, so put n plus 1 in place of n. N plus 1 in place of n and minus 1. So we are getting ARN. So this is the AN plus 1 term. And the next term is multiply R again with it to get this term. So R is multiplied with it and we are getting ARN plus 1. So ARN plus 1 is the AN plus 2 term. But AN plus 2 term is B. B is the AN plus 2 term and its value is ARN plus 1. So G1 is AR, G2 is AR square, G3, the third geometric mean, is AR cube, and nth geometric mean is ARN. So this is the general formula for finding geometric mean. So we can find any geometric mean by this formula. This is the general formula, by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. If we put n is equal to 1, we are getting this thing, and if we put n is equal to 2, we are getting G2, and if we put n is equal to 3, we are getting G3 is equal to AR cube and so on. Now the B, what is B? B is AN plus 2 term. AN plus 2 is B and its value is ARN plus 1. So B is equal to A R n plus 1. So R n plus 1, R power n plus 1 is equal to B over A, and R is equal to B divided by A in bracket whole power 1 over n plus 1, because A R n plus 1 is equal to B over A. Now take the power 1 over n plus 1 on both sides, and this n plus 1 and this one, this is n plus 1 and this is 1 over n plus 1. So these two will be cancelled and we will get R. And on this side, B divided by A in bracket whole power n plus 1. Now we will be doing examples. So our first example is find two geometric means between 81 and 3. 81 is A and 3 is B. And these two, the number of geometric means is n, because what is n? N geometric means, and this is n. So n is required, one thing, and B and A, these two are required. And then we will find the value of R. So n is given, n is 2 and A is 81 and B 3. So find the value of R. By formula, B divided by A whole power 1 divided by n plus 1. N is what? The number of geometric means. And A is 3 and A is 81 and B is 3. And the number of geometric means required, n is equal to 2. Putting the values, so R will be equal to 81 and 3. So 3 divided by 81 whole power 1 divided by n plus 1. N is 2. Now divide this. So 1 by 27 raised to the power 1 by 3. And R is 1 by 27. So 27 can be written as 3 power 3. And then 1 divided by 3 is the power. So 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 3 and whole power 1 by 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. So R is found by as 1 by 3. Now the first geometric mean, the second, the third. Now we are to find two geometric means. So first geometric means and second. The general formula is Gn is equal to ARn, and put n is equal to 1 and 2 because we are finding two geometric means. So G1 is equal to AR and G2 is equal to AR square. Put the value of A is 81 and R 1 by 3. So what is the answer? 27. And then G2, A is 81 and R is 1 by 3. So whole power 2. So 81 multiply 1 by 9. So 9 is the answer. So these are the two geometric means. First is 27, second is 9. Now A and first geometric mean, second geometric mean, and B. So what are the values? 81, 27, 9 and 3. And this is a geometric sequence in which each next term is obtained by multiplying 1 by 3 with the previous term. So this is a geometric sequence. Our next example is find four geometric means between 3 and 96. So 3 is A and 96 is B and n is 4. N is equal to 4, A is 3 and B is 96. R can be found by this formula. So R is equal to B over A, 96 divided by 3 whole power 1 divided by 4 plus 1. So 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6. So 32 whole power 5. So 2 power 5 is 32 and then 1 over 5. The answer is R is equal to 2. A is given. Then first geometric mean, second geometric mean, and third, fourth, and B. A is given, A is 3. Now multiply each time with it the value of R, which is 2. So 3 2s are 6. Then multiply 2 and we will be getting 12, and then multiply 2 with it to get the next term, and which is 24, and then multiply 2 with it and we are getting 48, and then multiply 2 to get the next term, which is B, and which is 96, because 48 multiplied by 2 is 96. So simply G1 is 6, G2 is 12, G3 is 24, G4 is 48. G1 is equal to 6 and G2 is equal to 12, G3 is equal to 24, G4 is equal to 48. The next example is find 3 geometric means. So n is 3 and between 1 and 256. So 1 is A and 256 is B. So what will be the A value of R? N is 3, A is 1 and B is 256. Now A is, so what is R? R is B divided by A raised to the power 1 divided by n plus 1. So R is equal to 256, which is the value of B, and the value of A is 1 and 1 over, so n is 3, and so 256 divided by 1 256 and raised to the power 1 over 4, 3 plus 1 4. In the denominator there is 4. Now 4 power 4 is 256 and raised to the power 1 by 4. So 4 is cancelled with 4 and R is equal to 4. We can also say that 256 R is equal to, we can also write 256 as minus 4 raised to the power 4 and 4 raised to the power 1 by 4. So R is equal to, in this case, minus 4. So both are the values of R. R is 4 and minus 4. For first value, R is 4. For R is equal to 4, put first A is equal to 1 and then first geometric mean, second geometric mean and third geometric mean, 3 geometric means, and then B. We will each time multiply with the previous term 4, because R is 4 now, so 4 is multiplied, so first geometric mean is 4, because 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Now again multiply 4, 4 4 are 16, then multiply 4 again with 16 and we are getting 64, and 64 if multiplied with 4 we are getting 256. So first geometric mean is 4, second geometric mean is 16, third geometric mean is 64. Now for the other one, R is equal to minus 4. If this is the case, then A is 1 and then first geometric mean, second geometric mean, third geometric mean and B. Now each time minus 4 is multiplied, So minus 4 multiply 1 is minus 4. Now again minus 4 is multiplied with minus 4 and we are getting 16 plus 16, and then minus 4 is again multiplied with 16 and we are getting minus 64. Again minus 4 is multiplied and we are getting plus 256. So B is same. This means our geometric means we have found are correct. So first geometric mean, because we have got B equal to 256. So first geometric mean is minus 4. Second geometric mean is 16 and third geometric mean is minus 64. Now in the fourth example, n is 5, a is 128 and b is 2. So n is 5, a is 128 and b is 2. What will be the value of r? b divided by a power 1 divided by n plus 1. This implies r is equal to 2 divided by 128 raised to the power 1 divided by n plus 1. n is 5, so 5 plus 1. 1 divided by 2 is cancelled with 128, so 64. 1 divided by 64 raised to the power 1 over 6, and r is equal to 64 is written as 2 power 6 and raised to the power 1 over 6, so 1 divided by 2 whole raised to the power 6 and 1 divided by 6. 6 is cancelled, so 1 by 2. So we got the value of r as 1 by 2. Now what is a? A is 128 and first geometric mean, second, third, fourth and fifth, and then b. Now each time we will multiply 1 by 2 with the previous term to get the next term, and the next term is, if we multiply a, which is 128, with 1 by 2, we are getting first geometric mean. So first geometric mean is obtained by multiplying a with r, 128 with 1 divided by 2, and we are getting 64 because 128 is multiplied with 1 divided by 2. Then 64 is again multiplied with 1 divided by 2 to get the next term, which is second geometric mean, and the value is 32. Now again this 32 is multiplied with 1 by 2 and we will be getting 16, and again this 16 is multiplied with 1 divided by 2 and we are getting 8. Now this 8 is multiplied with 1 divided by 2 and we are getting 4, and this 4 is multiplied with 1 divided by 2 and we are getting 2. Now this is correct. B, the value of B is coming out as 2, which is given. So this means we have found the geometric means 64, 32, 16, 8 and 4 are correct. So first geometric mean is 64, second geometric mean is 32, third geometric mean is 16, and fourth geometric mean is 8, and fifth geometric mean is 4.